Welcome to the Keyboard Depth Function Room, the place to find a quick guide on how to play keys to popular songs. Today, I Am the Black Gold of the Sun by the Chicago-based 70s psychedelic soul band Rotary Connection. The track is written by Charles Stepney and Richard Rudolph, and is a track from the group's final album entitled Hey Love. The track was covered to great acclaim by Nuyorican Soul in the late 1990s. Rotary Connection recorded their eponymously named first album in 1967. They were then recruited as the backing band for Muddy Waters' controversial 1968 album Electric Mud, the album that aimed to introduce Muddy Waters to a younger rock audience. They then recorded another 4 albums as Rotary Connection between 68 and 70 before the release of Hey Love in 1971. Noted musicians from the band was the jazz guitarist Phil Upchurch and soul singer Minnie Riperton, she of Loving You fame. The track may not be an obvious choice for the average function band, however, it's a classic for those in the know. I'll perform this track using a piano sound, and of course you can add strings and anything else that you want to. The song's in the key of E flat. Please remember to like, share and subscribe to this channel. I'm doing this for anyone who might find it useful. If that's you, then do hit the notification button for alerts to new uploads. So here's an example of how I might play it.
I'm the mountain high.